1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 here. If I do a check, they got to block this guy. What's good is that might be taking a piece. Queen a4, check. You don't mess with the check. They come block with the knight and things, so they got to block with this or with that. And then we're going to be winning a piece right here. So my just friend, that seems to be the quickest way to getting more material, and that should be winning. Queen to a4, they blocked with the bishop. They could have blocked with the knight, but the behavior is the same here for white. Is queen takes d4, and potentially you are doing very well here. Big chances because you've got 4 minor pieces versus 3. And we all know, provided we're not giving a ton of pieces, we're not blundering, we should be winning here with white, guys. Okay. We are playing white again. White to play. Resources. We got these two guys. Probably they're going to do all the hard job here. This one we can disregard it, I guess. We can disregard the bishop and the knight. They don't do nothing. We don't get checked or anything. I mean, checkmated. We could probably dream of either this or maybe this. Because what they do that, yeah. It might be this, though. It might be rook a8. If they try to approach you, we might be just replying in this fashion. And game over. Check if they go here, though. Can we play the same? Check the same here. They go here, and then we're gonna... whoa, 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 whoa. If we take... Queen takes... Wait a minute. Can I just do queen b6 first? Is this stoppable? Queen b6, I don't care what they do. Because I'm going to deliver that. Yeah, so Strobex, I think it's queen b6 first. It's queen b6 first, followed by rook a8. Because if we're doing rook a8, they're going to play king c7. Right? You do have queen a7, though. But then they move d6. And then if you take the rook, they're going to take your rook, and I'm not sure how exactly you're going to do it. But this queen b6 seems to be all you need. Well, it's got to be this, right? Queen b6. I think I'm going to play queen b6 here, guys. I'm going to play queen b6. And I hope I'm correct about this one. There you go. Bingo. I'm happy when I see actually the correct result displayed on the screen. So now we got to take. Oh, well, let's just take this guy if they insist. Okay. We were lucky with that one. Cool stuff. Okie dokie. We are playing with the black pieces here. So, what am I supposed to be doing here? I got a queen, I got this guy. That one looks very exploitable. Nah, you take the rook here. Well, if you take the rook, they block with this or that. But then you're having check here. Again. And that's it. So you got to take the rook first. The reason it doesn't work the reason it doesn't work is because they just drop rook here. And you've got just nothing. Therefore, you got to do this. Obviously, they can't move because if they move away, you're going to have checkmate on g2. So, queen e4 check, either this or that. If queen, we're going to take checkmate then. If pawn, then you're going to play this. Check. And yeah. Please tell me that's true.